Hey Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today is wash day and I am using the new curls, the green collection. So we're just gonna jump right into it. The first item that I use is the Sea Kelp Curl Cleanser. It has so much slip, it's super moisturizing, and I love how it felt on my scalp and on my hair. So the main ingredient is sea kelp. Sea kelp is a natural source of vitamin A, B1, B2, C, D, and E, as well as minerals including zinc, iodine, magnesium, iron, potassium, copper, and calcium. The minerals in kelp, more specifically iodine, promote hair growth, scalp healing, and hydration. Once I rinsed this out, it didn't leave my hair feeling stripped. My hair felt super moisturized. As you can see, them coils are popping. Right after the shampoo, I went in with the green tea hair rinse. Now this is a really interesting product because it's very similar to an ACV rinse. It's very runny, and green tea is full of powerful antioxidants and caffeine that help stimulate hair follicles and encourage growth. Here's something that I didn't know about green tea. Green tea protects your hair and scalp from sun damage. And when I was working this into my hair, I noticed that it didn't quite suzz up like a shampoo, but it did suzz up and you can hear it foaming. It's a really nice sensation, especially on your scalp. So I'm going to be trying out two masks from this line. I'm going to do half and half. The first is the Sea Kelp and Cucumber hair mask. This mask is so thick. I had to use a spoon that it came with to apply this on my hair. And you guys know my hair loves thick products. This mask features cucumber juice. It contains silicone and sulfur, which collectively stops hair fallout and promotes healthy hair. For the other half, I went in with the bamboo protein treatment. So for this protein treatment, it has bamboo extract, which is the richest source of silica. It's 10 times more potent for a prominent effect on strengthening the hair, and bamboo helps naturally thicken your hair from the root to tips. To style, I used my Goddess Curls Botanical Gel. You guys know the routine. This is my go-to hairstyle, the flat twist with the perm rods on the end. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look with Curls Blueberry Bliss. I'm just gonna smooth those out the way, and this is the final look. I definitely recommend these products. This line is packed with moisture. It's vegan and vegetarian friendly. It's healthy. It's green. So if you are looking for some new products, these are the products to try. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!